What's up guys, Hydroid here, back here with another YouTube video. Today I'm going to show you how to get Adobe Premiere Pro CC for free on your computer in 2020. No torrent, so let's get started. There will be two links for you in the description below. One for a website called Mega, where you will download Adobe Premiere Pro, and then the other for an app called MegaSync. I'll explain what that does later. But for now, go in the description and click on the mega.nz link with whatever this is. And then it'll take you to this website where you can either import to MegaSync or download. You don't have to use MegaSync, because what MegaSync is just an easier way of downloading websites from Mega. It has a nice little interface, and I've noticed it downloads a lot faster when you download it using the Mega Desktop app. Make sure this thing is ticked, and then as you can see it warns you that using Microsoft Edge is not a good browser for this. So if you want to download the Mega Desktop app, you don't even have to go to the other website link in the description, to be honest. You can just click Download Mega Desktop app, hit Run or Save, then run it. I already have it installed. So when I open up MegaSync, gotta make sure it's open before you download it. It'll open up in your taskbar. Just click it, sign in, make sure everything's ready. And once you have that, or if you don't want to do it, you can skip all that and just click download. It'll take a little bit. The MegaSync app will open. You get to choose where you want to. I already have it set to where I want to download it. Click OK. I already have it downloaded, so it automatically shows that I have it downloaded. Once it is downloaded, you want to open File Explorer. Then you can see it'll come up in this compressed zip file. All you need to do right now is just click and drag it back to wherever you downloaded it. Open that. Open this folder. Now all you need to do is double click Setup. Hit Yes. Wait for it to load. I already have it installed, so I can't change where I have it, but click Continue, and then it'll just install. Once it's installed, you can just click to open it. If it doesn't show up on your desktop or in the taskbar, just type in Adobe Premiere until it shows up. Right-click it, and then you can click Open File Location, and this create shortcut and place it on the desktop. Or you can right-click it and pin to taskbar. And once Adobe Premiere Pro opens, congratulations, you have all of Adobe Premiere Pro 2020. So you can just create new, blah, 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 blah. And there you are. If you liked this tutorial, please thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know about any other tutorials I can do for you. And this is Hydroid, signing out. Peace.